If not MBBS, then what? It's a question that lots of students ask, but hardly anyone can answer. You worked your level best. You wrote NEET. Maybe you didn't want to do MBBS from the start. Maybe you were forced due to family pressure or society pressure. Maybe your friends were doing it, so you also started doing it. And now you're stuck. You're thinking, if I'm not going to become a doctor, then what am I even going to do? Let me give you the answer. Paramedical. Because real talk, you don't need an MBBS degree to give your name next to someone who saves lives, who's successful in the healthcare industry. You can be just as impactful, just as respected, and maybe even be happier by choosing a paramedical career. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means you get to get trained to become the backbone of the medical world, the one who runs the labs, the one who assists in surgeries, the ones who are operating the x-rays, running the dialysis machines. Those are the ones who are stabilizing patients in ambulances. Best part is that there is no need of NEET, no 5-year wait, and no crazy fees. There are multiple courses like DMLT, courses like EMT, radiology, X-ray, and many more. Most take 1 to 2 years, and you can start early. Therefore, you can build more real-world experience and thereby become a professional. Especially here in Karnataka, the demand is growing. In hospitals in Bangalore, Mysore, Mangalore, they need more and more paramedical staff who is professionally trained. This is a second start and an even better alternative. We here at GD Goenka Healthcare Academy can help you get your dream job in the paramedical industry. We can help you save lives every single day so you can live in society as a confident and respectable member. So the next time someone says, if not MBBS, then what? You're not even going to do MBBS, what are you going to do? You look at them straight, dead in the eye and say, paramedical. Because success isn't about the label, it's about what you actually do. My name is Soham Gupta and I want to help you start your paramedical journey at GD Goenka Healthcare Academy. You too can save countless lives. Call us now on the number below or visit our center on Sarjapur Road in Bangalore and we'll give you a top tier admission, premier at one of the paramedical institutes in our country. Call us now and we'll see you soon.